Okay, hey, so I'm gonna show you how I wash my car with a mop, which is really easy and convenient. Because look what my dumbass did. Totally ran into this car here. Let's see if you can see it. Can you see it? Like, I don't know, it's not like horrible bad. It's just like a little bit. Like, I got a nice little dent here and then some scrapage. So it's more of like I tried to hug him, but I didn't get consent, so I was denied. But to make it even better, so we pull over and found out that the guy that I ran into is an off-duty police officer. It's like, thank you, I ran into a police officer. Like, how great is that? Anyway, so back to how to wash your car. So you're gonna take some soap in a bucket and put a little bit in there. There's some soap. Then you're gonna take the water. Okay, that's pretty good. Make sure to fill up your bucket with water because you will run out of it eventually. So then you can just watch what I do. Okay. Now you just water down. So you take your mop, get it all wet. Got it. Okay, so once you get your mop all wet, you just kind of go like that, and you wash it. And you pick up more soap ever so often. Okay, that's pretty good. When you do the size of the car, you need like one of these kind of mops. I don't know if you can see this. It's like a wet flat mop. It's called a sponge with scrubber. Put it in your bucket. Kind of fit. Okay, when you're all done mopping it, when you're all done mopping, you wash it off. Okay, so let's talk about my car. Or wash my car. Ah, I almost killed myself. Anyway, and probably some of you are like, just take it to the car wash. I'll show you why I do not take it to the car wash. Because this, what is this, tail light? This tail light like pops out with the spinny things, so I can't do that. I glued it back together, but it needs some better glue, I guess. It came undone again, which, I don't know. I'll find some better glue. I'll show you when I get all done working on my scrapage, which is looking really better already. Can you see it? Kinda. I don't know. It's too bright out to tell. Anyway, I just need to find some like really fine sandpaper, like what, 1500 grip? Is that what it is? I don't know. So I'm gonna work on that. I'll let you know what the end result is. Okay, so I'm done. Freaking hot. I found some 1500 grit sandpaper and I buffed it out, or not buff it out, I guess you'd say. Whatever you call it. Can you see? It looks better. I got this like dent right here, but I'm not really sure. You think a can of air and a heat gun will pop that out? I don't know, because it's got this like, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like this line right here. I was gonna wax it, but I'm hot, and then I gotta go towel to dry it, so it's like I'm not gonna do that. Normally I just let it air dry. If I feel like it, I might clean the windows, but it's too fucking hot, so I'm not gonna do that. Anyway, so that's how you mop your car, and then kind of, yeah, that's about it. Okay, thanks for watching. This is great. Bye.